Yeah, I'm just not feeling 100% right now. And that's fine. It's just like a little funk. You eventually get out of it, but just right now I'm in it. What up, y'all? It's Ro back with another video. And I got my daughter here. Staring. What you looking at? Zada, what? You need some chapstick, girl. No, don't try to bite me. Get some chapstick. Real quick, what's going on today? So today I got work. We got the nanny coming. I don't know. It's nothing too crazy today. Pretty much. I think I gotta do some more animation today. So I'm excited. No, I'm not. I'm not excited because after doing work, animation on work, then you gotta do animation after work. It gets tiring. Not gonna lie. But this one gives me all the excitement to continue to do all the animation. All right, guys. Let's continue on. How do I do this transition? On to the next thing. Let's do that. Yeah, I'll do that. On to the next thing.
First off, look at them lips. Look at them. Just look at them. They're all... Okay, let's get into this. What happened was the nanny didn't come. My wife is asleep. And that means I got the baby. So yeah. This is my first time ever trying to work, do animation, and have a baby. Bruh. Or taking care of a baby at the same time. Clearly there's a lot of rocking. There's a lot of shushing involved. A lot of different things. Look at her eating up this baby holder situation. Hopefully I don't ever have to do this again, but we'll see.
Wife brought breakfast for today. Oatmeal, bagels, bacon, eggs, and then some orange in the back. So just want to show you guys what I got for breakfast. All right, just gonna be real and raw right now because I'm not feeling great. Yeah, I'm just not feeling 100% right now. I'm just not, and that's fine. That's fine. It's just like a little funk. You eventually get out of it, but just right now I'm in it. Like I'm in the funk right now, and it's not fun. And then I gotta go back to work right now. I'm a little bit late too. That's the joys. That's the excitement of working for somebody else. Honestly, I just want to let you guys know where I'm at right now, mentally, emotionally, all that stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna get out of this funk. One way of me getting out of this funk is I need to eat. Honestly, that's a good one. Getting out of the funk, eating helps the process of getting out of a funk that is mainly, I don't know. I just need to eat, okay? I need to eat, so I'll see y'all later.
A few hours later.
All right, y'all, I just finished work right now. Just finished with the shot. I stayed about 50 minutes past my time. I'm spitting on myself. What's happening? Am I tripping? Yeah, I stayed 50 minutes over. Sometimes you gotta put in more hours than what you're 9 to 5 if you're working 9 to 5. But as an animator, you don't work 9 to 5. It's 9 to like 6, 7, sometimes 8. And right now it's like 7:50. So you just gotta do that sometimes. You just gotta work till the hours are open or until you feel comfortable with your shot. Because like some of the things that I do as a previous post-viz artist is that I pretty much try to prepare myself to be better off the next day. If today wasn't a great day, I'm going to try to work as hard as I can and a little bit later so I can be better off the next day. If I need to do more, to this tweak this shot, do this, I'm going to work on it more during the night. So when I come back in the morning, I'll have that shot, click a few buttons and I'll send that shot off. And that's what I try to do and I've been doing for my career, and it's been working out for me. Yes, I've been spending a little bit more time, a little bit later, trying to make sure that things are correct, and then I feel comfortable with the state of the animation that I'm creating. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing, y'all. I'm feeling better. Thank you for checking. I think I'm gonna do some animation. Or some animation, like personal animation on the side. And then spend time with family. Yeah, spend time with family. So let's get into it.
Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm 1000% tired right now. Doing this animation, just personal animation to kind of just keep my animation skills up. It's just, it's tiring after work. I'm not gonna lie, it is tiring after work, especially when you have a child. I don't know how many of you all have a children, chitlins. I don't even know. Yeah, chitlins. We'll go with that. My wife and I, we're on 2 different schedules. So I work in the morning, she works in the evening, and sometimes I have to take care of the baby because the nanny didn't show up, as an example for today. So that's what I got to deal with. And then also I get distracted by the baby because she is super cute, super cute. So I'm just gonna stop now.
Oh girl, what is that?
Oh man, that puffy little jacket look like she in the 90s, looking like she in a Missy Elliott video. Seriously though. Alright, Jizu, I see you. I see you, girl. I see you. Zarazo. She like, I don't want that, yo. The face though. Ooh. I love the face. I love the faces. Yeah. Ooh, sing it, girl. It's interesting. Isn't it interesting, Zarazu? Yes, Dada, it's interesting. It's interesting. And that is the day in the life of a movie animator. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Also, let me know if you guys are aspiring movie animators or animators in general, or in the creative field of some way, some sort. If you guys like what you see, make sure you guys comment in the comment section, like and subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. And I think that's all I got. So until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video.